In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your webcam beyond the one that's in the computer and use your phone. So, stay tuned. Hey there, Terry from terrymleetv, bringing tech and marketing tips to kajabi users that want to earn their first $1,000. I share a lot of tech tutorials and marketing strategies just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to ring the bell so you'll get notified every time there's a new video. Anytime during this video, check out the description below for notes and links to apps and gear that I'll talk about today. Otherwise, let's get started. Now, if you're looking to upgrade your webcam, especially if it's just the one that's on your computer or your laptop, typically it's probably got crappy video. Let's be honest, right? It's okay, but if you're trying to have a professional look for your business, you're going to upgrade it to maybe a webcam, or in this case, you could use your phone. Yes, that's right. You can use your phone. Now, if you're looking to upgrade, one of the primary reasons is going to be a sharper image, correct? Yes. While one of the advantages of using my phone over my, let's say, my traditional webcam is that my webcam must be connected using a USB connection. That's that little port on the side, or that connection on the side of your computer, whether it's a Windows or a Mac. In the Mac world, which is what I have, they have fewer USB connections. And so wouldn't it be nice to be able to use your phone and use it wirelessly? Well, you can, and that works for Windows or Mac. Now, I use an app called EpocCam HD. Now, there's a free version of this app, and it's just to let you get used to using it, but it has ads in it. But for about $8 in the App Store, at least in the Apple App Store, I'm assuming it's the same price in the Google Play Store, you can connect wirelessly and have up to HD resolution using your phone. You can use it horizontally for 16:9 mode, or you can use it vertically, great for Instagram or something like that. Now, I've done some testing. It works great with Ecamm Live, which is a Mac only for like live streaming. It works with Zoom, so you could use it with your Zoom webinars or Zoom meetings and be able to position your phone where you want versus maybe having to have the webcam directly, say, on top of the computer, which is not bad, but if you use multiple screens or something like that, you're going to probably want to be able to position your camera where you want. Now, I do use a couple other accessories with my phone. So I use a tabletop tripod, which I will link to below, as well as an adapter that allows you to put your phone in there and be able to position it to different heights and lengths and angles, which is great. And so it's a matter of installing the software, download it, you put it on your phone, you start it right up, and then you launch whatever application, or you run whatever application, whether it's Ecamm Live or Zoom or what have you, and you pick the camera just as you would any other physical camera, but you're using this EpocCam HD camera, and it works nice. And the great advantage is you can have, like I said, really nice resolution. So I hope you found this tip helpful. Consider subscribing, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any more training, and watch some upcoming videos. Talk to you soon.